Hi, it's Lynette here. So today I have the December ASOS box. I usually check every day towards the end of the month, and for some reason this month I just didn't check at all. So Sussex Sandra popped up something on Instagram to say that she had the box and she had put in an opening on her YouTube. So I thought I must order it. It arrived kind of within the next day, which I think is fantastic, and I don't think you can see it, but the packaging's really funky. I don't know if the light's picking it up, but yep. So this was £12 plus postage and packaging. I pay for the year, so it was only £12 for me. I think it's £10 for the year. And so it says Go Play Face and Body. So it's Winter Glam Makeup Sorted. 'Tis the season for oh so extra makeup, and the latest face and body box has everything you need to nail your festive vibe. First up, you've got the Cult Real Techniques. Right, so we'll go through it then. I won't read it out and tell you what we've got. So we've got Real Techniques by Sam and Nick Miracle Complexion Sponge. Now, I must admit, I've never used one of these sponges on my face. I used to use foundation sponges years ago, but these things seem completely different. And I know you're kind of probably better to put them in water before you use them. So it says covers evenly for a flawless J finish, rounded side for blending, flat edge for contouring, pointed tip for concealing. So it's more than just putting your foundation on. So yeah, I think you can go and actually look at their YouTube video to see Sam and Nick. So I really do like the brand Real Techniques. The next item out the box is Professional Dainty Lash. I've never heard of this brand before, but they're soft and vegan friendly material. They are tapered closely to resemble your natural lashes, so it completes a multi-dimensional effect that's comfortable to wear all day long. Now, I am hopeless at applying these things, and they usually end up making me making my eyes feel so heavy. I did go and get the extensions done one time, and I remember standing in the shower and kind of water on them, and they just felt really uncomfortable. And I thought, you know, these people, I think it went through my head, you know, like the Girls Aloud, you know, they kind of wear these things all the time, so you must get used to it. But I do like a wee false lash for a night out. I'm just terrible at applying them. Better with a magnetic liner one, but never tested them on a full night out, so who knows. So this is a Bare Minerals, and it is a lipstick. Now, I have recently just finished a Bare Minerals lipstick that I got that was actually this size, and I went to John Lewis, wearing it today. I went to John Lewis the other week there, and I replaced it because it lasted forever. So this is called Courage, and it's red. I don't do red lipstick, don't, but the lady at the front is blonde and she's doing red lipstick. I don't know what it is. Oh, look at that, it's just so dainty and cute. I think red lipsticks can be on me, so if they're orangey shades, don't suit me, and certain tones make me look like I've got a heart condition, because they can leave the lips looking a bit bluey red. So I've yet to find a red lipstick that, oh, that's so cute, such a classic red lipstick, isn't it? But I am going to keep that because I do think I will be doing a red lipstick collab. So anyway, we will see, but I am going to keep that. But yeah, it does look gorgeous, doesn't it? And I kid you not, that is one of the best, the matte lipstick that I got in a box last year, one of the best lipsticks I've ever had. And for a matte lipstick, it feels really soft and really smooth. It doesn't dry my lips out. So this is one that I've never tried. I think I've always given it away, but I want to really try it. It's a Smashbox Super Fan. There we go. So mascara. So I'm looking forward to trying that. So we've got eyes, we've got face, we've got lips, we've got mascara. You can actually put mascara on your false lashes as well. And we've got this. It's absolutely stunning. Revolution Pro Ultimate Eye Look Palette in So Jaded. Now, I think these were about £10, maybe £10 or £12 on the Revolution site. I never got any. But I do like a quad. But I hadn't appreciated that the packaging was so pretty. You see that? It does look really expensive. So it's a Revelation Pro. A combination of complementing shadows and jewel encrusted palette. It's so jaded. So yeah, it feels really kind of high end, doesn't it? I think that's very pretty. So open it up. Oh, it's got a mirror in it as well. And the shades are gorgeous. Look at the shades. I am going to swatch them, because I do want to try and do a look. Oh, wow. There we go. The gold didn't swatch like I thought it might. So yeah, I think I need to work up the kind of colours. But that can happen with these really dark shades. So I'm going to try and put a little bit extra on it. So yeah, I went over that green twice. I'm going to go over the shimmery one. And I'll go over the goldy one. Yeah, there you go. A little bit better, isn't it? Using the kind of building it up there. But that colour there is an amazing colour as a kind of base as well. Or for me, it'd be a fantastic transition colour. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I definitely feel like I need to create a look. It's got 4 colours. It should be relatively straightforward, but all my looks end up looking really smoky or kind of grungy. But I definitely think with those colours it will be a grungy look that I end up creating. And actually I will swatch the Bare Minerals for you on the back of my hand, because you might be undecided about whether you want this box or not. Wow, it's like a cherry red. Don't know if you can see that. So yeah, that's stunning. So for £12, guys, we've got this Revolution Pro Ultimate Eye Look palette, which is stunning. We got the Real Techniques makeup sponge, and Real Techniques is a fantastic brand. We've got the Bare Minerals kind of cherry red lipstick, and we got the false lashes, and we also got the Smashbox Superfan mascara. So yeah, for £12 I think this is an absolutely fantastic box, and I think it would make a fantastic little stocking filler as well. I would be delighted to receive this if somebody had bought it for me. So yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch up with you soon. Bye bye.